Welcome to KB Career Point. Today we are going to see lines and angles exercise. First exercise we are going to discuss. In this one, first sum we are seeing means in figure, the given figure, this figure they will give to us lines AB. How many lines they given? AB and CD. Two lines they given. Lines are there means we can able to take linear pair of angles. Okay. So keep that in mind. Lines is there means we can always use linear pair of angles. Okay. So linear pair of angles we can able to use here. Okay. First point from this one AB and CD. In the line AB as well as in the line CD we can use linear pair of angle. Concept. These two lines are intersecting at O. So it is intersecting at O. And they given the AOC, angle AOC and angle BOE. Angle AOC and angle BOE, they combine together and bringing 70 degree. So if you are combining this angle and this angle, it is going to produce 70 degree. As well as angle BOD, separately they give BOD as 40 degree. This part they given us 40 degree. Okay. We have to find angle BOE. This part we have to find separately because this and this combine only 70 degree. We have to find BOE only separately. Then reflex COE. So COE first we have to find. Then from that we have to find the reflex of this. For the back side we have to find. That means 360 degree minus angle of COE, that is reflex. These two things we have to do here. Okay. First the given information we will take. The given information is given angle AOC plus angle BOE is 70 degree and angle BOD they given us 40 degree. Okay. So first we will take any property, that means linear pair of angles are coming or not, we will check. Okay. So first in this part, AOC and BOE, this 70 degree, and in this line AB was in means AOC, COE, EOB, these three together is making linear pair of angles. Understand? AOC, angle COE, angle EOB, these three angles together is making linear pair of angles. So that we will write. Solution or proof, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle EOB, these three angles, 1, 2, 3, these three angles combine together and forming 180 degree based on linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. In this one, AOC as well as EOB or BOE, whatever it will be, or BOE. These both together they given us 70 degree. So that we will write COE is plus 70 degree equal to 180 degree and COE is equal to 180. This 70 plus 70 crossing this equals means that time it becomes minus. So we are getting 110 degree. COE we got, reflex we can find here. So reflex of angle COE is equal to 360 degree minus 110 degree. It is coming as 0.5 to 50 degree. First part okay. Second one what they are asking, BOE. So BOE we have to find. So now in this one COE is 110 degree. So this part COE is 110 degree. Now again CD is a line we are having no. So CD line we will take. In this line you see, in this line CD line we are having COE, EOB, BOD. These three angles together forming the linear pair of angles. That means it is standing on the line COD. Okay. So now you are combining these three and equating to 180 degree. Then subtract, you will get the BOE. In line CD, angle COE plus angle EOB or BOE plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. I know angle COE, now only I will found 110 degree, then angle BOE plus angle BOD is 40 degree, it is 180 degree. Now you are adding this one means it will be 150 coming when these two combined is 150 degree. Bring the 150 degree to opposite side of the equals. That time plus 150 degree is becoming as minus 150 degree. It is 30 degree. So angle BOE is 30 degree. Okay. So in the second sum they given that in figure, lines XY, the lines XY and lines MN intersect at O, both of them crossing at O, intersect means crossing, and they given that if angle POY, this POY is 90 degree, this symbol is representing 90 degree, and they given some ratio, A and B, the ratio of 2:3. So if you are, and they are asking us to find C. To find C, we can take this line MN, but the B if you know means we can be able to find C easily using linear pair of angles. But what the problem is here, B we don't have. But the ratio we have A and B. If any ratios are there means first you find where the ratio is lying. It is lying in line or it is lying in some angle division, or what is the angle of that ratio you find there. So here the angle of the ratio is A is to B, they didn't mention that. We can find, first we will take the line XY. Take the line XY, in this one POY and POX we are taking because A and B in the POX only. So we will take in line XY, angle POY plus angle POX is 180. Linear pair of angles. Okay, linear pair of angles. And POY they given us 90 degree, that we will write, and POX as POX 180 degree. Now we want POX only. POX is 180 degree. Bring the 90 this side, minus 90. So it is 90 degree POX. Then this A and B. Okay. So A and B will take the ratio. We will find the ratio of this one. How much the angle it is taking and how much angle B is taking, that we will find. So A 2 plus 3 is total is 5. So 2 upon 5 cross 90 degree. That means 2 is the ratio of A, the total is 5 and it is going to share the 90 degree. So that we are writing there. So 5 ones are 5, 5 is 40, 36 degree. Then angle B we will take, angle B it is taking 3 part of 5 and 90 degree. It is not 180 degree. Some places we are using 180 degree. There it is sharing 180 degree. But AB is sharing only 90 degree only. So this is same only 18, 54 degree. Now you add and check. It is will become as 90 degree. Okay. Our ratio is correct now. Ratio division is correct. So we given A and B now. Okay. We will use B. We got as 54. Now you take line in line. MN. In line MN, MOX and XON. That means B plus C. B plus C is 180 degree. Same thing, only linear pair of angles. You have to write, you have to mention. Under which condition you are taking this one, you have to mention that. Then only they will give the mark. Okay. So B we know that 154 plus C is equal to 180 degree. C is what means 180, bring the 54 this side is minus 54. So it will be 6 to 1, 126 degree. C is 126 degree. In this third sum, they given that in figure PQR, angle PQR, where is angle PQR? This angle PQR as well as angle PRQ. PRQ, both of them equal. So I put 1 here because they both are, these both they given as equal. So I put here 1. These both are equal. So I put 1 here. Then we have to prove that angle PQS and angle PRT are equal. These two we have to prove as equal. So first what we will do? We will take this part. Okay? This part it is having two adjacent angles. This we will take. What are the angles? Angle PQS as well as angle PQR. Solution. Angle PQS plus angle PQR. Angle PQR is 180 degree. Yes, no? This part only. This part only we took. So this both is forming 180 degree. As well as come to this side. Angle PRQ, angle PRE, these both. Angle PRQ plus angle PRP, that is also 180 degree. Keep us 2. That means this part you take like this. Okay. So this triangle one part we took, then triangle next part we took. That's all. Combine 1 and 2, 180 degree, both of them 180 degree only. So we can write these both of them equal only. So we are writing as from 1 and 2. So angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRP. Okay, so here they given as PQR and PRQ are same. So here see PQR. PQR is where? PQR is here and PRQ is here. Both of them equal they given there. So these both are equal. So we are cancelling. Automatically, therefore we are getting PQS and PQS is equal to angle PRG. Next proof. In this fourth sum they given x plus y is equal to w plus z. So this x plus y, this angle is x and y. If you are adding that one, that is equal to w and z sum. Prove that AOB is a line. We want to prove AOB as a line means AOB we have to make that angle it is making 180 degree. If you are proving means that means x and y is making 180 degree. Like that if you proved means then it is a line. Okay, clear? So we are going to what we are going to do? We are going to prove that x and y is 180 degree. Sum of x, y angles are 180 degree. If it is forming 180 degree, then it is a line. Okay. So solution x plus y plus, first we take completely this one, plus w plus z is equal to 360 degree. Sum of angles around a point, that means one point is that around a point the angles we are adding means is 360 degree, not 180 degree, 360 degree. So then only x plus this point O around the point x, y, z, w, these are all making 360 degree. And here they given us w, z and x, y as equal. So I am going to replace w, z with x plus y. So x plus y, in place of w plus z, we will replace x plus y, that is 360 degree. How many x's are there? 1, 2. 2 x is there. And how many y? 2 y's are there, that is 360 degree. Okay? And here 2 is there, take common. (180). So x plus y is equal to 180. So x plus y has 180 degree we proved. So therefore AOB is a line. If a line is there means we are taking linear pair of angles, and if 180 degree that angles are making, then we can bring as a line. Interchange. Okay. In the sum, POQ is a line, the given POQ is a line, so we are indirectly getting a hint. What is a hint? We can use linear pair of angles. That means the angles which are lying on that line, if you are adding that angles, it will produce 180 degree. Okay. So this point is POQ is a line, is giving that hint to us. Then ray OR. Where is ray OR? This ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. This symbol is perpendicular. That means it is making 90 degree. In the line PQ, OS is another ray. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Between OP and OR, this OS is there. Prove that. This we have to prove. So proof we will start. This is one important question. Okay. In this question, one trick is there. First we will take the right hand side, find this part, this angle QOS. Where is QOS? Angle QOS we will find. Angle QOS is here. I am drawing separately. Angle QOS. How I can write angle QOS? I can write the angle QOS in adjacent angle form. How? QOR plus ROS. This both angle combination only QOS. So we will write angle QOS as QOR plus ROS. QOR plus ROS. First equation first. Second one, angle POS. Angle POS is where? Here angle POS. This is only single angle only. So we need, see here ROS also we need here. So with ROS we will take. So first we will take from this one POR. Why we are taking POR, not directly POS? Because we need ROS also. Here in this first part we got ROS. So same ROS we have to bring in the POS also. For that we will take POR. Okay, in that angle POR, S is here. Okay, how I will get the POS only? From the POR, if I am subtracting from the angle POR, I am subtracting this ROS means I will get POS. Understand? From the angle POR, if I am subtracting SOR, that time we will get POS. Okay, so we are writing angle POS as angle POR minus ROS. Okay, minus ROS. So this subtract means here we get POS. Here, this is our second part. Now from 1 and 2, this both sides what you have to do, QOS and POS. They ask QOS and POS to subtract. They ask us to subtract these two angles. We also do the subtraction. Angle QOS minus angle POS. We are taking according to these things only the steps. We subtracted, so write the content also. QOR plus ROS minus angle POR minus angle ROS. Okay. So angle QOR plus angle ROS minus angle POR, this minus plus, minus POR minus plus ROS, integer multiplication. And the QOR and POR we are checking means QOR is 90 degree as well as POR also what 90 degree only. Okay, we will check what is the value of QOR. Angle POR plus angle QOR is 180 degree linear pair of angles. So angle QOR is 90 degrees, so therefore angle POR is what? That is also 90 degree. Angle POR is 90 degree. So we are getting angle POR as well as angle QOR, both of them 90 degree. So write the 90 degree here. This is 4. Okay. So 90 degree plus how many ROS is there? 2 ROS is there. So 2 angle ROS minus 90 degree. 90 is going. Okay. Now we are getting angle QOS minus angle POS is equal to 2 times of ROS. Bring the 2 here because 2 is coming this side. So bring the 2 here. Now ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS half or by 2. So hence 2. In the sum they given some information to us. According to the information we have to draw the figure and we have to bring the answer for this one. Okay. So angle XYZ is 64 degree they given and XY is produced to point B. Angle XY is coming here. So XY is that 64 degree, it is acute angle, so I am drawing the angle line like this, ray like this. So XY is at, it is 64 degree. And the XY is produced means extended. Okay. So XY is produced like this, produced to point B. And then on point B they are producing this one. Draw a figure from the given information. Okay, drawn there. If the ray YQ bisects means make into 2 equal pieces. Okay, 2 equal pieces it is making, 2 halves. So YQ is going to bisect ZYP. ZYP bisect by YQ. So equally it should bisect. Okay, bisected. This name is YQ. Okay, and ZYP. Okay, ZYP bisect by YQ. Find XYQ. We have to find XYQ. This complete part, as well as QYP reflex. So for that you have to find QYP also and their reflex you have to find. First we will find XYQ. How you will find XYQ? This bisect information is there, no? That we will write. Angles, proof or solution. Proof will not need, proof will not come because solution only we need. Solution. Angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP. That we will keep some angle name as A. Okay. We will keep ZYQ and QYP as A because YQ bisects angle ZYP. ZYP bisected by YQ, so this angle and this angle is same. So this is A as well as this is also A, equal pieces. Okay. Now from line XYP, we will take XYZ, angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP is equal to 180 degree linear pair of angles. And ZYQ is 64 degree. ZYQ they given us 64 degree. These two angles we kept as A. So A plus A it is 180 degree. And this is how many A's are there? 2A is there. So 64 plus 2A equal to 180 degree. Okay. Then 64 coming this side means 2A is equal to 180 minus 64. It will be 160 degree. Correct only no? Okay. So 2A is 116 degree. So A is 116. This is multiplication. Between this no symbol we cannot able to see. Between 2 and A we cannot able to see any symbol. So it is multiplication. Multiplication coming this side is coming to the opposite side. It becomes as division by 2. So 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16, 58 degree. A is 58. So this is 58 degree as well as this is also 58 degree. Now we can find XYQ. XYQ is the combination of two adjacent angles 64 and this A. That means XYZ and ZYQ combination only XYQ. Understand what I am telling? We'll draw. So angle XYQ is sum of 64 and A. 64 and 58. And the reflex of angle QYP is equal to 360 degree. Always reflex is 360 minus that angle. That angle is 58. So it is 302 degree.